Ito naman po guys, yung nabili nating souvenirs. Ayan. Support local. Yeah, I like supporting local businesses. Ito guys, ganito siya. Nasasabit siya. Ayan. For $20. 21 something plus tax. Ayan, maganda siya guys. Canada because it's Canada Day today. Yeah. And then, nakabili din tayo ng ayan, yung kanilang signature collection. Nakabili tayo ng special jam guys. Ayan. This is a special jam. This is peach. Ayan. Carol's peach jam. And then, yung isa naman is Carol's blackcurrant. Yeah, blackcurrant is more healthier. Ito na lang guys. Last nag-iisa na to nung sabi niya, oh, that's my last one. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Have a good day and God bless everyone.